Hello everyone and welcome back to Codeflix. So in this video, we will see sessions in PHP and also we will see a login functionality using the sessions in PHP. So let's start this video, and in this video we will use the db.php from our last video. You can find the link of that video here. Then we will see this code is of login. So I have many videos on login using PHP, so you can refer them. You will find the link of the video in the description. So I'll quickly explain. This is a form and it has a username, it has a password and a submit button, and we are using session underscore start, which starts the session, and we'll include the db.php, which is this file. And then if the submit button is clicked, we get the email and password in two variables, and then we run an SQL query and find if the username or password exists in the database and store that in the $result. So now I'll continue in this code. So if $result and number of rows. So if there is number of rows which match in the database, the result will be greater than 0. So we'll check using that, and we'll be using $session $_session variable or method, and then we'll be storing the email which we get using that, which is equal to $email ID, which is this one. We'll be storing the it in the $email ID. We'll be storing the email ID in the session, and we can use it throughout a whole application until the user logs out from the system. So we'll store the email ID in the session, which is this variable, and then we will head to the location. So header, and then give a location. So this will redirect to index.php, and then we say die the connection will die. Now this is the code to store the email into the session and redirect to a new file, index.php file, php, and then we will use the session underscore start, which will obviously help us to use the session, and then we'll echo welcome user, and we will concat the $_session, and we'll use the email because that's what we saved in the session, and that's it. Now we are ready to run. So I'll fire up the Chrome. I'll make sure the WAMP is working. Oh, it's not because of the IIS server. I'll quickly shut that. Stop. I'll go here, click on it, start all the services, and it should be green. Yes, it is. So we'll go to localhost, then Codeflix and login.php. So it asks for the usernames. So we'll go to the database and get the credentials. We'll log in here. Now this is the test DB, and it has the login table, and it is admin@gmail.com, and the password is test123. So we'll put the username as admin@gmail.com and test123 and login. And when you log in, it redirects us to the index.php, and it says welcome user admin@gmail.com. So this is what we can do using the sessions, and in the next video we'll see how to do logout using PHP. So we'll put a logout button here to log out. That's it for today's video. If you like it, please share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.